Have you ever opened a website, clicked a button, watched it load smoothly, and thought, wow, that's slick? Well, chances are, that magic was JavaScript. But what if I told you this language, now used by over 98% of websites, was once considered a complete joke? Yup. JavaScript was once laughed at, ridiculed by developers, and even called the worst programming language. Yet today, it runs the modern web. This is the story of the fall and rise of JavaScript. Let's rewind to 1995. Netscape, the company behind one of the first web browsers, needed a way to make websites interactive. They wanted a scripting language that was light, easy to learn, and could run in the browser. So they hired a guy named Brendan Eich and gave him just 10 days to create a language. 10 days. The result? JavaScript. And it kind of worked. The first version was rushed, messy, and full of weird quirks. Developers hated it. They called it toy-like, a duct-taped language. Some even avoided it entirely. For years, JavaScript was the language you had to use, not the one you wanted to. It was clunky. Debugging was a nightmare. Each browser implemented it differently, which meant your code worked on Chrome, but broke on Internet Explorer. And if you remember Internet Explorer, I'm sorry. Even big tech companies didn't take it seriously. JavaScript lived in the shadows while real programming happened in C++, Java, or Python. Then, something changed. In the late 2000s, a revolution started. Google launched Chrome, a browser with a blazing fast JavaScript engine called V8. Around the same time, libraries like jQuery made writing JavaScript less painful. Developers started paying attention. Then came Node.js in 2009. This was huge. For the first time ever, you could run JavaScript on the server, not just in the browser. It was like someone took a rusty old car and dropped a race car engine into it. Now, JavaScript wasn't just for pretty buttons, it could build full apps. Fast forward to today, and JavaScript is everywhere. Frameworks like React, Vue, and Next.js have redefined how we build the web. Entire companies are built on JavaScript. Some of the most used apps, Netflix, Discord, Uber rely on it. What was once mocked is now the backbone of modern development. So yeah, JavaScript was born in 10 days. It was clunky, it was laughed at, but it evolved, not because it was perfect, but because the web needed it. Developers around the world kept building, kept improving, kept pushing it forward. And now, it's not just a programming language, it's a movement. A reminder that even underdogs can change the world.